ज़माना बदल चुका है। लोग डिजिटलाइजेशन की तरफ चले गए हैं। लोग अपने कामों का आसान करना और देखना चाहते हैं। बैंकिंग सेक्टर्स भी नए निज़ाम की तरफ आ चुके हैं। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का ज़माना है। दुनिया तब्दील हो चुकी है। अमरीकी हुकूमती मुशीर बराए तबनाई और मालियाती खदमात की गुफ्तगू।
People realize, hey, you can do very complex things in a smart way, faster, more efficiently. As people have moved away from branches and started to do a lot more on handsets, that's now creating the expectation for people that they could do more with financial technology to access things. The algorithms now for AIs are starting to make it easier for banks to know if they can make a bet on you, if they can actually invest with you. It's Bull TV viewers, sure, I've got advice. Number one, you live in an incredible country with an incredible heritage and incredible history. Number two, if you look around the world and you read history, you find out that so many people have so much less to start with than Pakistan has. And it's important to feel blessed by that, but also to realize the challenge isn't maybe what you have, but the kinds of conditions you can set to create more. And the third thing I'd say is, it's important to draw in capital, and I'm very interested to be back in Pakistan and bring a couple of clients with me. Sure.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।